What's going on, folks? I want to give you a quick look at what you may have to do or what you will have to do if you want to change out your starter on a Mercedes Benz truck, a ML430 from about the 1998 to about the 2005. To actually get to your starter, the first thing you'll have to do is take off this fender right here, which is on your passenger side wheel. This is your passenger side right here. So you have to take off your wheel and all that, as well as to remove this fender, which basically has screws and bolts that basically will come off from all these spots right here. And once you get that fender off, if you can look right here, there's your starter right there. You may actually need to have like an angle type wrench to take off some of the bolts and screws that's on it. But once you get that, it should be pretty simple pretty much to pull this starter off. But if you can see right here, this is your starter on this Mercedes-Benz truck, a ML430 from about the about the 98 to about the 2005. So once again, if you have to change out your starter, this is what you'll have to do is take off your passenger side fender right here. This whole piece has to come off. And then once you get this off, you should be able to look up inside of there. Right there would be your starter right there. And of course you would just disconnect it the way you would a normal starter. You'll have two big screws going in it. Then you'll have your actual screws that goes to your electrical parts of it, one in front of it. All right, folks, once again, this is what you will have to do if you want to change out your starter on a Mercedes-Benz truck, a ML430 from about to 1998 to about to 2005. All right, folks, please check out the other helpful videos. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.